Hello, dear subscribers. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily add or create contacts in WhatsApp. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. And the first way is to go to our standard phone app that we make calls through. Here, click Contact. In the upper right corner, click plus. Add a contact. Add a first name. Add a last name. Here we can add a photo. Click Add Phone. We'll put a plus sign. We'll put a region. We'll put the person's phone number. We're done. Click Save. And there he is. Now we can exit. Go to WhatsApp and click on Contacts. And here we can with you when we click here. Find this person that we just added. We can also go to WhatsApp. Click on Chats. In the top right corner, click Add. And here, click New Contact. Write first name, last name, region, and also phone number. And after that, click Save. That's how easy it is to add contacts in WhatsApp, or you can create contacts on iPhone. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.